we just get a Malacanang statement on the confirmation that ISIS leader Abu Bakr Al-Baghdadi is dead?
Is that confirmed?
Yeah, President Trump announced the death of the ISIS
Then
leader.
that's good news for countries who have been terrorized by the ISIS. But then again, the leader of one group does not mean the extinction of that band of terrorists. We know that for a fact. Remember, who was the leader? Sino ba yung pinatay? Si Obama. Look at Obama lang. Osama rather. Osama Obama. Sorry, sorry, President Obama. Osama bin Laden. Okay. Si Osama bin Laden.
Okay, Sec,
I apologize.
what do you think are the implications of this development considering that the President said yung ISIS nga na-penetrate na yung Mindanao? Ano yung nakikita nyo implications nitong development na to sa Mindanao and overall sa security ng bansa?
Well, as I said, the death of the leader doesn't mean the extinction of that group. But then, it may also cause discouragement on the part of the terrorist groups. But as far as we're concerned, whether the leader dies or not, we will secure that part of our country from them.
Do you see parang impact nito sa recruitment sa ISIS sa Mindanao? Do you think maapektuhan yun?
Yun ang hindi natin alam. Hindi ko mabasa yung magiging response ng mga nire-recruit nila kung it will affect them or not.